Hey everyone, my name's Jeyanney. I'm here today at TATTI Lashes and I'm going to be showing you how to use the Invisi-Lash kit. I'm also going to be going through removal, so stay tuned. In case you didn't know, the Invisi-Lash kit helps you to create lash extensions in the comfort of your own home. It's reusable and results can last up to 2 weeks. You can choose from 4 styles of individual lash clusters. You also get an applicator tool and a dual-ended bond and seal. With the 4 styles, I would say the most natural are the Cluster Pack Au Naturel. Next we have Très Chic. These are my personal favourites. We have Haute Couture, perfect for those girls who love that Russian volume lash extension look. Next up we have Moncherie, and this is perfect for those girls who love the extra drama. Before we get started, it's really important that your lashes are clean, dry and oil-free. This helps you get the best retention and the best results. We often get asked the best way to remove lash clusters from the tray. The best way to do this is to gently loosen and peel the lash cluster away from the tray using your fingers. We recommend loosening the cluster as close to the base as possible. When applying your lash adhesive, start at the root of your lash and don't go any further than halfway up. Do them cluster by cluster. Only apply the adhesive where you need it at the root of the lash, pop the cluster on and then move on to the next step. There you have it, I have completed one eye, and as you can see there's a huge difference between both eyes. TATTI tip: to keep your lash applicator residue free, take your Invisi-Lash remover and an adhesive wipe and run it along the lash clamp. I've now finished my base application on the other eye, and as you can see you could totally leave these lashes as they were, but I'm going to show you how you can stack and customise your lashes to create an extra dramatic effect. Always apply the adhesive at the root only, that way you'll get the best application possible and the best retention. Now that I've completed my customised stacked look on both eyes, I'm going to show you probably the most important step, which is to cure the lashes with the sealer. The best way to apply the sealer is to put it exactly where you've placed your adhesive, start at the root and apply in a dabbing motion. If you still feel like there's a little bit of stickiness on your lashes, take the sealant and apply it on the top of your natural lashes. Take your curved lash applicator and clamp down the root of your lashes. This will set your lashes into place and ensure that you get the maximum wear out of your set. So now I've shown you how to apply your lashes, I'm going to show you the safest and most gentle way to remove them. By using your Invisi-Lash remover, you can remove your clusters and also maintain the health of your natural lashes. First step is to take your cotton pad and soak it with Invisi-Lash remover. Take your soaked cotton pad onto your eye, gently wipe across. This will then loosen the clusters and remove any adhesive. If necessary, repeat the process until there's no residue left and the lashes are clean. For any stubborn areas of adhesive, you can take your lash remover and apply it onto a cotton bud, and this will give you precise removal. And there we have it. Thank you so much for watching. That is my step-by-step Invisi-Lash tutorial and removal. Don't forget you can shop the set on tattilashes.com.